Sponsored by HVAC Tools. Quality tools, essential support. TrueTechTools.com. And by Wohler, the measure of technology.
What's up, YouTube? We've got a package from Wohler. It's a fairly sizable package. See what's inside. That is a big box. We got a box, and that's it. Some packing peanuts. So it's your fairly typical plastic case. Got a couple of latches down here, and inside we have what looks to be an analyzer. Got a plug-in accessory here, a piece of what looks like 1/4-inch black hose, very similar to the original Wohler product I looked at. I think this is our water stop, if I remember correctly. And then some what are they called? Cotton filters. We've got a wireless printer, and the star of the show is the Wohler A400. Pretty straightforward. Looks like it's got a nice flexible hose on it, a little bit of a protective spring, and a nice little pistol grip style for the analyzer. We've got our arbor, I think that's what you would call it, for going into the flue pipe, and then a plastic one as well. This actually uses like a tightening collar to pinch the probe into the unit. Not quite like the Testo stuff that I'm used to, but not far from it. So let me double check the batteries and whatnot, and we'll see how this thing works.
On the bottom of the device here are two little eyelets, two little holes in the handle, and it appears that that's where it communicates with the sight glass on the printer. Your printout is your typical combustion analyzer printout, very similar to the Testo stuff that I'm more familiar with. It's got all your readings that you took on the printout, a space for comments, and a space for a signature. I guess my next step would be to go ahead and do a combustion test with it, just to see how that works out. So we'll move up to the attic. Don't forget, you can use coupon code RARVID and get $10 off your purchase at TrueTechTools.com, or the coupon code RARIDVM for $10 off your IDVM 510 meter. Thanks to the 100-watt Vipers for allowing me to use their music also. You can search for my Facebook group at HVAC with Stephen Rardon, or follow me on Twitter at Juvenile77. Thanks for watching. Man, your heart is heavy. You got troubles on